Number 1, stand. Please stand quietly in line. Stand. Number 2, swamp. We read a book called Babies in the Bayou about animals that lived in a swamp. Swamp. Number 3, important. It is important that you spell your words carefully. Important. Number 4, student. You are a star student to me. Student. Number 5, president. One day, I hope to be president of the United States. President. Number 6, blend. I like to blend my yogurt with fruit. Blend. Number 7, stamp. Don't forget to add a stamp when you're mailing a letter. Stamp. Number 8, grand. The grand ballroom had fancy chandeliers and beautiful crystal glasses. Grand. Number 9, parent. You should always show respect to your parent. Parent. And number 10, different. I like your haircut. Is it different? Different. Every good speller always checks their spelling, even if they're the best speller in the world. Number 1, stand. 2, swamp. 3, important. 4, student. 5, president. 6, blend. 7, stamp. 8, grand. 9, parent. 10, different.